How to get gold notes on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see update instead of open, then tap on update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to your application and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on the messenger icon on your top right hand side. Here you will see your note. Let's go ahead and add a note. Now, in order to get the gold note, you have to make sure that you include the word gold in your note. For instance, I'm going to type something like this, which also includes the word gold. Once done, tap on to share. Then refresh your page, and this is how you get gold notes. In case you remove the word gold, you won't be able to see the gold notes. Let's go ahead and try that as well. If you just type in mine and tap on share, you won't get the gold notes. So make sure that you include the word gold as well in your notes if you'd like to get gold notes on your Instagram. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. To get notified about updates of Instagram like this, make sure to like and subscribe.